In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an RDP within Microsoft Azure. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to portal.azure.com like you usually would. Now from here, you'll still be doing something like this once you get inside of your account. And from here, you'll simply need to go over to the create a resource over here, and then from here you'll see the popular services. Once from here, you'll need to choose the virtual machine that you'll need to create. And from here, it should be doing something like this, where you can see you can select the workload type, or you're going to select a workload environment. From here, you can choose any of these if you want to do that. But from here, you'll simply need to click continue to create a VM. Once from here, it should bring something like this. And you can really edit it however you seem fit. You just need to follow along from here. From here, we'll simply need to click subscription and add it into the specific subscription that you want to add it to. You can add then resource group, where you can choose the specific resource group, or you can create a new one if you don't already have one. Just click one here. From here, you'll need to go down to virtual machine name, where you can add in a name for the specific virtual machine or VM. You can also choose the region, where you'll need to choose your closest region for where you live. So for this tutorial, I'll be showing you Sweden right here. And from here, you'll need to go down to available options and just choose whatever you seem fit. Same with zone options, availability, security type, images, and all of this other info. The only thing you'll need to be aware of that you'll need to choose the specific size that is suitable for you. So just click any of these ones that is suitable for you. And from here, you'll need to go down and add a username for your VM and a key pair name and a password. From here, you'll also need to go down to the public inbound ports and allow selected ports by clicking on this, and then select import ports, where you'll need to choose the RDP. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to go over to review and create. And from here, you'll simply need to click create down here once it is fully loaded. Then from here, your VM with RDP will deploy, and you'll be able to connect the RDP directly from there to your VM. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!